7 to. Not my salmon. Sorry if I'm eating too loud. Hindi ko kaya kumain ng tahimik. Ngayon pa lang, gusto ko nang sabihin, Gomena sorry. Gomena sorry. I'm not unakasuita anymore. More protein. So, nag-dinner na talaga ako kanina. Explain ko lang. I've had my dinner earlier, like 6 p.m. And then, after the rehearsals and everything, bumalik kami sa hotel. And then, mga 9 p.m., excuse me, mga 9 p.m. nag-workout kami, nag-gym kami. And then, parang after 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 20 minutes, or 1.5 hour, tapos ako din, nakaramdam ako ng gutom. So, I decided to go out and buy some goods. Kasi nga, I'm hungry. I'm so unakasuita. Super mecha unakasuita. Nag-try ako mag-search ng mga open pa na restaurants nearby, pero they're closed already. Maaga silang nag-close. Actually, late na pala, hindi maaga. Kasi here, it's 1 hour advance sa Manila. So, it's 11:15 here. Sa Manila, it's 10:15. So, yeah. Oh, I'm full. my God. Tsura ko. Ako yan? Tao ba yan? Gusto sa Malesta. I'd risk it. Ano? I'd risk it all. Risk it all lang yun. At dahil dyan, meron kang 5 pitik with soft lips. I have 11 piercings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pala to? Paano naging 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 na pala to? Akala ko 11. Amazing. So, tapos na ako kumain. Bye, guys. It's crazy, but it's true. Hindi ko naka-cover yung hindi ko na i-cover yung Risk It All kasi kinover na ni Pablo. Well, pwede naman. Pero meron akong mas gustong i-cover yung Dance With Me. Parang, ngayon yun yung ko, sound trip ko, yung Dance With Me. Paano nga ba yun? So, yan, Risk It All tuloy yung tumutunog sa utak ko. To hold your hand. No, diba? Risk It All na. Nawala na. Nabura tuloy yung Dance With Me. Dahil dyan, meron kang 5 pitik with soft moves. Siguro pag kinover ko yung Risk It All, yung second, yung yung next line, yung after kinanta ni Pablo. Dami ko ang gustong i-cover yun, daming mga magagandang song ngayon. Yung Stateside, Midnight Sun, daming magaganda ngayon. I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Who knew opening up would make me headline boots? Ego boots, me from minute, yeah, that kind of feeling. Yeah, that kind of feeling. Mali pa ginagawa. Ito na lang, ubusin ko na lang to. Baka sabihin nyo, I'm a fake mukbanger. No! Ubusin ko to, bago ako mag-end. To hold your hand and call you mine, I try to be your man till the end of time. Oh, I'll do anything you ask me to. I will run through fire just to be by your side. If your heart's on the line, you could take mine. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I did it my way. Kuya Bruno. Joke lang po. Peace po tayo. Peace po. Mash up lang po. Joke lang. Suni, pasensya na. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Sino? Meme niya? Wait lang. Ano yan kasi? May saks, ayun. It's crazy. It's nothing new. Pakinggan nyo yung Dance With Me ni Bruno Mars. I love, like. I will cover that. Inaaral ko siya. Saan trip ko siya ngayon? I was swing across the sea just to show you. Sacrifice my life just to hold you. I could go on and on to prove that you belong here in my arms. Hello po sa 6.6 viewers. Again, I am Stel from SCB19. Konbanwa minasan, SB19 desu. Minasan, konbanwa, SB19 desu. Hi. Okane onegai shimasu. Joke lang. Bakit ang daming nanonood? Wala naman ang ginagawa. Boring. Busog na ako. Teka lang, kailangan ko ubusin to. Dahil ang role ng whey protein is if hindi mo if hindi mo na-reach yung protein intake mo in a day, this will complete your protein intake. So yeah. Yun lang, share ko lang. I could go on and on. Paano ako kumonect dito sa wifi? Just to be by your side, have your heart's on the line. You can take mine. Paano kumonek sa wifi nga dito? Yun. O, tapos, paano na to ngayon? Anything you ask me to. Paano nga? Nani? Hala. Galing! Paano kumunik nga sa wifi dito? I forgot! Nawawala yung voucher. Yun. Ay! Yun! Okay. I found it. Found it! Mate. Hello po sa 6.4 viewers. Wala na. Ang boring ko na, no. Sige na. Alis na. Pinaalis. La. Ker. Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Nag-dinner na ba kayo, guys? Noong oras na dyan sa Pinas, oh. Sige, patugtugin ko yung Dance With Me. Teka lang. Mate. O, diba? Lahat nakarelate sa Okane onegaishimasu. Okane, koko. Ongkar, let's... Sana hindi ako maano, no? Pag nagpatugtog ako. Kalimutan ko, paano nga ba to? Dance with me, darling. Mali. Just one more time. Put your pride aside, right here next to mine. Mali. Girl, you know I'm hoping when the music ends, you and I will fall in love all over again. Just one more time. Put your pride aside, right here next to mine. Mali pala. Saba. Ito yung cover ko next time ng maayos. Dance with me. Paano yung bisa dyan? Just one more time. Take my hand and let's just dance all night. Girl, you know I'm hoping when the music ends, you and I will fall in love all over again. Dance with me, darling. Just one more time. your brighter side right here next to mine. Mali, mali. Girl, you know I'm hoping when the music ends, you and I will fall in love all over again. All the stars are out tonight. Ooh, maybe they'll shine a little light, help us find what we're trying to find. It's been so long since I held you tight. I won't let you go till we give it right. Oh. Mali, mali. Isa pa. Pwede bang mag-ingay dito? Inaaral ko ba kasi siya? Right. All the stars are out tonight. Ooh, maybe they'll shine a little light, helps us find what we're trying to find. It's been so long since I held you tight. I won't let you go till we give it right. Oh, will you dance with me, darling? One more time. It's the only thing that we ain't tried. Girl, you know I'm hoping when the music ends, you and I. Mali. Paano na ba to? You and I. Ayun. Saba. Nakakainis naman. Promise, ko-cover ko ito ng maayos next time. Hoping when the music ends. Hoping. Girl, you know I'm hoping when the music ends, you and I will fall in love all over again. Yan ba yun? All over again. It's a failure. Aralin ko, babawi ako. Aralin ko ng maayos. Tapos i-cover ko ng tama. Sobrang LSS ako dyan. One more time. Sige na nga. Pagbigyan. Sana hindi lang ako ma-report. Ubusin ko na muna to. Tapos, sige, pagbibigyan ko kayo. Ubusin ko to. Tapos kanta ko isa. Tapos babay na. Kasi, kailangan ko rin maligo. Matulog. Ubusin ko Wait. This is whey protein. Wow. Busog ako. Oh, maybe they'll shine a little light, hell was... It's been so long since I had you die. Okay. One song, okay? Sana walang magreklamo ng mga katabi ko. Hinaan ko lang. Babawi ako next time pag nakauwi ng Manila. Ko-cover siya ng maayos. Itong dalawang song, sige. For just a chance to win your heart, you could set the bar beyond the stars. I'd do anything, anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly in a mountain you could point to. I wouldn't climb, it's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do, I'd risk it all for you. To hold your hand and call you mine, I try to be your man till the end of time. Ooh, I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. I will run through a fire just to be by your side. If your heart's online, you can take mine. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do, I'd risk it all for you. I would swim across the sea just to show you. Sacrifice my life just to hold you. I could go on and on to prove that you belong here in my arms. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly in a mountain you could point to. I wouldn't climb, it's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do, I'd risk it all for you. It's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do, I'd risk it all for you. Thank you. Hindi ko ma-full voice kasi parang delics kasi manipis ang mga padir. Baka may magreklamo. So, yeah, ayun lang. Busog na ako. Ay, bakit nag-ubad? Bakit nag-ubad? So, yeah, again, tomorrow is our dunk showcase performance sa Yokohama dito sa Japan. So, to those na manonood, to those who come and watch the show. See you tomorrow. I'm very excited to perform tomorrow because I think this is one of the biggest stage na pagpe-perform namin dito sa Japan. And of course, we prepared a lot of performances, of course, and surprises for everyone. So, yes. See you tomorrow and enjoy the show tomorrow. Hindi lang naman kami yung nandun. There's a lot of artists, like amazing artists na mag-perform tomorrow. So yeah, we're very excited. And sa lahat naman ng mga nasa Pinas na hindi makanood, it's okay. It's okay. It's not a problem. Not a problem. Sinasabing problem siya. I mean, picture ka na. Chikik. Random. Ano yun? I mean, sa mga nasa Manila, may next time pa, so you don't have to be sad na di kayo makakanood. So, it's fine. I know na kahit nasa Pinas kayo or nasa ibang part ng mundo, you're still cheering for us, supporting us. So, tomorrow gagalingan namin. Please say, Gambarimasho, Gambarimasho, Gambarimas. Gagalingan namin. So, I'm excited for tomorrow. And, yeah. Sa lahat na pupunta, see you tomorrow. We're very, 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 very excited. This is a very good opportunity for us to showcase not only our skills, not only our music, but also to share the Filipino culture through our music. So, Gambarimasho. Ashita no performance to susuguyen. Isusugoi. Sugoi desu. Ashita no performance to susugoi. Isusugoi. Basta gambarimasho. Gambarimasu. So, lahat sa mga to all the Japanese fans who's going to watch tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Minakita ne. Ashita. So, yun lang. Dahil dyan, meron kang 5 pitek with soft boobs. Thank you so much and God bless you. Magta-12 na pala dito. So yeah. Again, thank you for watching my live, for joining me here. I know this is a quick live, but yeah, I hope you're happy and you enjoy it. Yeah, thank you. I need to prepare na para matulog. Magsha-shower pa ako and everything. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching 18. I love you so much. I love you. See you real soon. I love you. I love you. Good night. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi. Arigatou gozaimashita. Oyasumi nasai. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.
Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa kubang